friends, welcome back to our channel Competition Grid. In this video, I am covering mainly important weekly one-line current affairs, that is from May 22nd to 31st. Okay, here now I am discussing the national news. Government launches scheme for solarization of Konark Sun Temple and Konark Town. And also NTA launches National Abhyas app for JEE Mains and NEET aspirants. Jammu and Kashmir, an initiative Sukoon COVID-19 beats to stress. Me Annapurna program. This program was launched for the farmers in Maharashtra. Yogi Adityanath, he is CM of UP, launches Startup Fund, hands over first tranche of rupees 15 crore to Sidbi Bank. Government extends Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandhana Yojana by 3 years till March 2023. Sonia launches Naya scheme for farmers in Chhattisgarh. MP government launch Didi vehicle service for rural women. India and Bangladesh signed a pact to operationalize 5 more ports of calls and 2 new routes. Patanjali's digital platform Order Me starts with 10,000 daily transactions. TAPR scheme in Ranchi to transport migrant workers. PM Modi announced interim relief of rupees 1,000 crore to West Bengal and 500 crores to Odisha. Madhya Pradesh CM inaugurate Everybody Will Get Employment scheme. Honor Hat, a platform for artisans craftsmen which helps to generate employment to make comeback in September with the theme Local to Global. Chhattisgarh to observe May 25 as G. Ram Tribute Day. Mizoram government becomes first in India to grant industry status to sports. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, that is PMMSY, aims to enhance fish production to 420 LMT with an investment over rupees 20,000 crores in next 5 years. Nitin Gadkari inaugurates Chamba Tunnel under Chardham Pariyojana, up to 440 meters long tunnel below the busy Chamba town and Rishikesh Dharasu Road Highway, that is NH24 highway. IMD, that is India Meteorological Department, adds 7 new weather services to Umang app. Government of Bihar has joined hands to supply Sahi Lychee and Jardalu mango to the people at doorstep. LIC launches modified PM Vaya Vandana Yojana. Salman Khan launched his new grooming and personal brand Fresh hand sanitizer. Former SC Judge Justice Shikri inaugurates India's Dispute Resolution Center. Webinar on Vandhan scheme, learn for post-COVID-19, organized by DST, that is Department of Science and Technology. Arogya Setu becomes world largest contact tracing app. This was released by Dr. Harshvardhan. He is our Union Minister. Petroleum Minister dedicates to nation 56 CNG stations. Next we are discussing international current affairs. Facebook launches Catch-up audio calling app. Taiwan President Tsai Ing-wen begins her second term. Corona impacts economics poverty to engulf 672 million children by 2020 end. This was said by UNICEF. Uttarakhand launches Mukhyamantri Sarvaghar Yojana for returning migrants. Madhya Pradesh launches Rozgar Setu scheme for skilled workers. US joins G7 Artificial Intelligence Group to counter China. One Sun, One World, One Grid India initiates talk on West to Southeast Asia solar grid. Google launches a new app so that will help to maintain social distancing. UNICEF and Airtel Africa announce partnership to support children and families affected by COVID-19. World Bank to rescue with $160 billion aid to 100 nations. Microsoft stopped online sale of Huawei laptops after US ban on Chinese tech companies. Next, we are discussing banking and financial news. Maruti Suzuki ties up with Cholamandalam Investment and Financial to launch Buy Now, Pay Later offer. RITES signed pact with to acquire 24% stake in Indian Railways Development. PFC signs MOU with NBPCL to fund projects with 22,000 crore for 225 megawatts hydroelectric projects in MP. Infosys partners with Switzerland-based wealth management software provider. India's GDP growth seen a decrease of 6.8% for the financial year 21. This was reported by SBI. Fintech startup Zaggle joins hands with Visa to launch payment solutions for SMEs. India's GDP to contract by 5% in financial year. This was reported by CRISIL. Fitch projects Indian economy to contract by 5% this financial year. This was reported by Fitch Ratings. ADB and India signed. ADB means that is Asian Development Bank, and India signed $177 million loan for the state road improvements in Maharashtra. SEBI imposes a penalty of rupees 7 lakhs on Nohi for disclosure lapse. S&P projects Indian economy to contract 5% in the financial year 21. Ola Electric acquires Erito to launch electric two-wheeler in 2021. ITC to acquire 100% equity share capital of Sunrise Foods. Flipkart and Canada Mango both tie up to help farmers sell online. FDI in India jumps 13% to record $49.98 billion in 1920 financial year. Facebook launches collab app that helps you to make short music videos like TikTok. Microsoft invested $2 billion in Reliance Jio for 2.5% stake. Walkrange tie-ups with LIC for micro insurance products. Financial deficit widens to 4.6% of GDP in 1920 financial year. RBI slaps penalties on Bank of India of 5 crore and Karnataka of 1.2 crore. Saraswati Cooperative Bank for non-compliance of 30 lakhs. NABARD sanctions of rupees 1050 crore credit support to West Bengal state. India's GDP growth slowly to 11-year low of 4.2% in 1920 National Statistical Office. Next one. Now here I am discussing about the appointments. High-level panel formed to recommend reforms in India's drug regulatory system. This was chaired by Rajesh Bhushan. Abbas Jai has been appointed by the World Bank to a key position on climate change and disaster management in South Asia. Brazil's Marcos Troy, he is appointed as new president of NDB, that is New Development Bank, and India's Anil Kishora is vice president. BBB selects HN Rajeswari as CMD of Oriental Insurance. IOC appoints Narendra Batra as member of Olympic Channel Commission. Cape Gemini's Thierry Delaporte to be Wipro's new CEO and MD. Sandeep Pradhan Texture as Sports Authority of India DG extended by 2 years. Indigo appoints Venkatramani Sumatran as Independent Director. PFC Board clears RS Dillon's appoints as CMD from June 1st of this year. Next, we are discussing about awards. Indian American Alumins and IBM scientist Rajiv Joshi named Inventor of the Year. Rajiv Joshi named as Inventor of the Year. Indian Army Major Suman Ghavani and Brazil's Navy officer share UN Military General Award for Women Peacekeepers. If you talk about defense, Indian Navy's made breathable PPE kit, that is Navarakshak. India's helped to set up a military war game center in Jinja district of Uganda. Missile park, that is Agni Prashta, to be set up at INS Kalinga. If you talk about science news, NASA recommended its W-Force telescope after mother of Hubli Nancy Grace Roman. Kohli only cricket in Forbes top 100 list paid athletes, that is Federer top. Next we are discussing about the books and author. J.K. Rowling releases children book, that is Aika Bog. Important, we are discussing now important days. 21st May is observed as a National Anti-Terrorism Day 2020. It is death anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi. 21st May we are also celebrating another day, that is International Tea Day of 2020. And another day, that is World Day for Culture Diversity for Dialogue and Development. Next, 22nd May, that is International Day for Biological Diversity of 2020 with the theme Our Solutions Are in Nature. Next, International Day to End Obstetric Fistula, that is 23rd May 2020 with the theme End Gender Inequality, End Health Inequalities and Fistula Now. Another day was observed on 23rd May, that is World Turtle Day. Next, International Missing Children Day of 2020 is observed on 25th May. The same day, World Thyroid Day of 2020 is observed. And Africa Day is also celebrated on 25th May. World Menstrual Hygiene Day of 2020 is observed on 28th May with the theme Periods in Pandemic. World Hunger Day of 2020 is also observed in May 28th. World Digestive Health Day is observed on May 29th, 2020 with the theme Good Microbe, a Global Perspective. And another day, International Day of UN Peacekeepers 2020 is also observed on 29th May with the theme, that is Women in Peacekeeping, a Key to Peace. And another International Everest Day is also observed on 29th May. World No Tobacco Day of 2020 is observed on 31st May of this year with the theme Protecting Youth from the Industry Manipulation and Protecting Them from Tobacco and Nicotine Use. Obituary, that is deaths. Hockey legend Balbir Singh passed away at the age of 96. Actor Mohit Baghel passes away at the age of 27. Actors Preksha Mehta committed suicide in Indo. Noted Urdu writer and Padma Shri Award Mutaba Hussain passed away at the age of 83. Aditya Yogi, first Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, is passed away. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.